Hey friends, good evening. So today I am going by Living Spaces. There's a brand new store that opened by our old house, and I saw an Instagram ad for a VIP event they're having for the opening day. So I was like, we need furniture. Let's go check it out. So I'm gonna see if they'll let me record on the inside. If not, I'll catch a few videos of some of the pieces that are in there so that I can share them with you. I'm excited. I really do like Living Spaces pieces, so I think it's gonna be a good time to come in and see what the brand new store is. Let's go check it out, friends. Okay, so one of the things that I love about Living Spaces are their unique pieces in regards to like sideboards. It's something about the store that they just have like these tribal pieces. So we're gonna start the tour heavy in the sideboard area because they have a lot of them. And this is kind of where I spent the majority of my time because I love this tribal look. I love this natural wood look. It's just, it just does something to me. So let's hang out here for a little while. I'm gonna let the music play and just let you enjoy the sights, and then I'll come back when we have something new to look at. right, so I thought this sofa was super cute. I could probably use something like this in my office area. I still hadn't decided what I'm gonna do with that area, if it's gonna be like office, a more sitting area, recording space, but I thought this was super cute. All right, now let's get into these rugs for a minute. They had some really nice options, and some of them were affordable and some of them were on the higher price point. I know jute rugs are the thing, so I'm showing them for you guys. Not necessarily my style. Well, I won't say it's not my style. They are just something that I would definitely have to layer because they're not comfortable. I'd use jute more so outside than I would on the inside, but I have to admit these are super cute. Price point $800. I don't know, you tell me if that's affordable or not, but I just thought I'd make sure I got a picture of those as well. All right, so here's a rug that I saw that I thought about my more traditional, kind of transitional folks out there, kind of like me. I am going to play with the rugs in my space, but I felt like this was a little bit more safe, a little bit more, it is a little cooler in tone, but I thought it was cool to see. You'll notice that I'm pointing out a lot of the things that I kind of like. That's kind of what this tour turned into. So I'm showing the artwork just because I do think that from a cultural standpoint, and when I say cultural, I'm just looking at the type of art that's present. They do offer some fun options. I don't know if it's necessarily my style, but I thought that it would be fun to show off because I'm sure some people would love to be able to see what they have available in terms of artwork for the walls. I'm still not sure what we're gonna do on the walls as far as artwork is concerned, but yeah, I thought this would be good just to include in the video so you could see what the options were and how much, the pieces are costing if you were to purchase something from Living Spaces. Just another unique sideboard. It's black and white. It's kind of have a chevron inlay. I thought it was cute. It kind of stood out to me. Now, I don't know if I would do it inside of the house and like the main living areas. I don't know, but I thought it was cute. And then in addition to that, some of these artifacts that are on the front as well. It is something about these wicker chairs. I'm addicted, and I don't know. I love it. I have to figure out a way to incorporate that style into my space. But this little silhouette area did catch my eye. Now, I don't know about you, but I am all about the outdoors and having pretty functional outdoor furniture. I am a lover of egg chairs. I have a beautiful egg chair. It's darker in wood, but it is gorgeous and I love it. And my kids and I fight over it all the time, but I saw this one and I was like, ooh, what could I do with it? But their outdoor space is really nice as well. I know a lot of people know Living Spaces for like their sofas and stuff, but I kind of am more drawn to the other parts of the store, like the outdoor areas and the cultural areas. But here, take a look at what they have from an outdoor standpoint and let me know in the comments what you think. Now, is this a cloud dupe I see? Now, the first thing that I saw is I noticed that, it kind of has that casual kind of vibe to it, the deep set cushions. But I looked at the price and it was like $2,900, and I was like, well, I don't know. If I wanted a piece of furniture that kind of resembled the cloud furniture from RH, I don't know if I would pay this much for it. I would probably just go to RH, but it is an option. I know this one is shown in gray, but I did talk to one of the salespeople on the floor, and all of the furniture is customizable. So they do have options to customize the fabric on the sofas. They do have some high performance fabrics there as well. Of course, those things take a little bit longer, but I think what's on the floor is like what's like standard and what you can get like delivered right away. But just looking at their prices, I was like, this is nice. But if I were looking for something like this, would I buy it from Living Spaces or would I go to RH? I'm not sure. I guess it would depend on what the style is that you're looking for. I didn't see much in terms of my style in the bedroom area. I have a particular look that I'm going for in the bedroom, but I did see this piece and I thought it was really nice for those of us that like and enjoy kind of the natural vibe in our space. I just don't know that there were many options in terms of bedroom furniture that I found attractive that I thought I would use, but this piece is nice. This was probably one of the only pieces that I saw that I was like, I could probably get away with that. I like it, and I could probably make it do, ooh, my gimbal, oh my God. Sorry, I could probably make it do what I wanted to do in my bedroom. This was another nice piece that I saw, another sideboard. It's kind of got that concrete top on it. This is more of a media piece, so like if you had your TV area where you needed to put like your cable box and stuff like this, this would be a tool, or I'm sorry, a piece of furniture that you could use to do that. Not my style, but I thought it was nice with the concrete. Now, this was one of the few dining room tables that I saw in terms of color. I am really particular about dining room tables though, because I have kids, so it's cute, but I need something that's really high functioning and a material that's more durable. So I tend to lean more on the marble and glass side for dining room tables. Or if I were to get something like this, I'd have to cut a piece of custom glass over the top of it because my kids are they just are who they are. But yeah, I thought this would be fun for you to kind of look at. Let me get them folks out of my picture. All right, back to a couple of more pieces of rugs. I'm making my way around the last part of the showroom floor. Again, jute rugs. I actually really like this one. Now, I have to look and see what's affordable in terms of rugs. I don't know if I would pay $895 for a jute rug, but the option's there, and this one's super cute. Finally, here's a quick look at the fabric selection that they have available. They have a design studio. If you wanted to work with the designer, you could, but I just wanted to show you what those options look like as well.
All right, friends, so that was a visit. What you think? I think Living Spaces got some nice stuff. I tell you what, it is sectional city in here. Yes, it is. It is sectional city. And if you need a sectional, friend, you can find a sectional in Living Spaces. I tell you that. I know you can do that, but I was unfamiliar with Living Spaces until I moved to the San Antonio area, and we saw them and we went in one of their stores. And I know you saw a lot of sideboards, a lot of like TV, like entertainment stuff. Y'all, they have the best. And while I'm not sure what style we're going with, I know that I want it to be a warm, neutral palette, and they got plenty. So I was really excited to see that. They've got some nice, like I said, sectional options if that's your thing. I'm not really looking for a sectional, but I know there's some of you all that are, and they come at good prices. So if you have a Living Spaces in your area, or if you want to shop their online website, I'd say it's a yes. It's worth trying out, and it's definitely worth, they're pretty affordable. What I did learn is that their lead times right now are between, I want to say 6 and 14 weeks is what he said, which is typical, it's average. for where we are in the world right now. But yeah, it's a good time. Good time, good time. All right, friends, thanks for checking out today's vlog, and I'll see you in the next episode.